In DesignerLogic, you can check in partial quantities of items that you've ordered. Come to the item tracking section. And here you'll see all the items that are still out that you've ordered, and you can filter that list by supplier, purchase order, or a whole bunch of different ways. And then to check in partial quantities, say for example we have these tiles where we have 175 boxes ordered, 55 of them are still out. If you want to check in just a partial quantity, hit check in quantity. And here you'll see the information about how much is ordered, how much is received. And let's say we have 20 of them coming in. We're going to check in 20. And we'll see they're not yet received by the warehouse, so we'll leave the item status as in production. And then over here we can actually update the proposal, invoice, and purchase order status as well at the same time. If we had received all 55 of these, we put that this is received and closed, but we're still only partially received, so we're going to leave that as it is. Hit submit. And what that does is updates the quantity that's out, so we'll refresh this page. And now when we scroll down, we can see that we only have 35 boxes of tiles out. Now if you go back into the tracking for this item, here you'll see the quantity out and received, but if you click on the view log link, you can actually see all the quantities that were received on what date and who logged them in, so that way you can really keep track of quantities that are coming in at different times on an order. You can also view this from the project itself, so let's go to shortcuts. And let's choose a project, and we'll just go to the item tracking for that project. And over here you can see, just like the other page, there's a check-in quantity link if there's still outstanding quantity for an item, and you just check that, and you can check it out directly from the project itself.